Hello everyone, once again. Welcome to the woods, the spring woods. It's finally happening. Spring is arriving faster than we could ever imagine. And I'm out here to make a coffee. And I will also read for you some lines here from this book. Come along, let's make a fire. I think we are, speaking of ants, I think we are a lot like the ants. The human society, the human way of living is a lot like the life of the ant. You know, you're running around doing things constantly without thinking of it. You do things per default or on autopilot. And you never sit down to contemplate about what you have, what you are really doing. The difference is, of course, that ants, they just have one destiny in life. They are pre-programmed to their instincts. They are following the basic wiring of their evolution, and their brains do not process other than the basic instincts, so to speak. But we humans, we have this extraordinary advantage compared to animals, and that is the ability to reason, the ability to think ahead, to plan, to feel, and all this. And it makes it, I don't think it makes it easier to live your life. It definitely opens up more opportunities, and but it also puts a lot of pressure on people. So therefore, I will read this book soon. But first, let's start the fire. And today we will use our fire steel. Oops, I forgot to chop the firewood beforehand. Using this kind of wood, look here, this fat wood. It's like burning rubber tires, black smoke, much soot, but very, very warm, extremely flammable. I will show you. You can see, just let me pull up the screen. You can see here, see the inlay here of resin, of pitch. So this is a really potent but very dirty fuel. Oops, it's already boiling over. Okay, let me read this text for you here. It's about accepting things that happens. So it goes like this. We are like a dog leashed to a moving cart. The direction of the cart will determine where we go. Depending on the length of the leash, we also have a fair amount of room to explore and determine the pace. But ultimately, what each of us must choose is whether we will go willingly or be painfully dragged. Which will it be? Cheerful acceptance or ignorant refusal? I think this metaphor is really, and this is from The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday. And the quote is from, is it Seneca? It might be. Yes, so what does this mean? Well, it means that you have two choices in life all the time. No matter what happens, you have two choices. You can accept things or you can refuse to accept things. And it doesn't matter what you choose, because you still will be dragged along by life, you know. Life won't wait for you, even if you are complaining or if you are trying your best, and accept things as they are. Let me just get my coffee cup. So this means that in any situation, it is better to accept what happens to you than to refuse it, because you will still be you will arrive at the same end, so to speak. And with reference to the ants we recently talked about, you know, the ants, they cannot think like this. They don't have the capacity for that, and they have no reason for that. They follow their hardwired biological path. They live, then work, then they die, and they don't care so much about it. But we have the ability to choose as humans. Forest or coffee in the spring woods. You know, that hard to beat really. Should have made more firewood, but my my human is a battle between my human laziness and my human logic. The human laziness tells me you are too lazy for go and get some firewood. And the logic tells me just do it. So again, with reference to our beloved ants, you know, they don't have an option. I'm very glad that you watching my videos and that you have followed me out this nice spring day. And I hope you got something out of this video. So as always, I'll see you next time. And till then, take care. Bye.